How to change your Instagram profile background color. If you create content on Instagram, you must have noticed that some profiles have a unique background color or custom profile themes. These pages sometimes have orange, pink, blue, or olive green shade instead of default white and black themes. You may also notice a golden story ring around their profile picture. If you're wondering how to get this feature for your own account, what the criteria are, and whether you need minimum followers, this video will explain everything. Instagram has introduced this feature through a special program called the Instagram Rings Award Program. This is designed specifically for creative creators. Those who qualify get a golden story ring, special profile colors, and increased visibility or authenticity on the platform. You don't need any minimum followers for this. Even with creators with 500 followers can get it. To qualify for colorful profile themes and golden story ring, Instagram looks for these factors. Number one is creativity. Next is cultural impact. Next is consistency. You also have to be original and authentic. There is no application form to fill out. You don't need collaboration, a wide audience, or high follower count. All you need to do is make sure that your content have these themes. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.